Your family's safety is a top priority. Make sure they're protected with a monitored carbon monoxide detector from Honeywell. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas that can kill in minutes. Use Honeywell's professionally installed CO detector for the best defense against this silent killer. Since it is connected to your burglar and fire system, this wireless device can be monitored by trained professionals 24/7. The central station acts to alert you when levels approach an unsafe level, giving your family time to safely evacuate. Don't risk your family's safety with a non-monitored detector. Use Honeywell's monitored carbon monoxide detector. It's protection that's priceless.